Hi, this is Balaji. Now we're going to see how to say set the developer tab in top of the Excel. So first of all, we don't have developer tab in top of sheet means we have to select any tab, home tab or insert tab, and right click, and we getting customize the ribbon option. So we have to click that. So we getting this Excel options top pop-ups. In that we have to have various options. We have to select in that customize ribbon option, and we have to select main tab we have select that, and we have to in that we have to see that various tabs, drawing tab, insert tab, already enabled tabs are ticked. If they see here the developer tab is not ticked, you have to tick it, and we give OK. Now see top of the Excel, we can see developer tab. Thank you. Thank you for watching.